First on the list is this driver thinking it's a good idea to burn out in the middle of a busy intersection.
Hey, the cops are coming! The cops are coming!
Next up is an idiot on two wheels thinking that a car won't iron them out. Next on the list of idiots is this driver who tries to pass two moving cars while another car is coming towards him.
Individuals who are most proud when they're vulnerable. Is there a different attitude? Obviously Martin gave us some horrific examples of Christians being persecuted, public Christians being persecuted in Egypt. Is there, though, a general view here that Islamophobia is a bad...
Now in this clip, watch what happens when this truck flips over. Next on the list is good old instant karma. This next one will make you shake your head wondering how these two didn't know that this was going to happen to them.
Again, savage! Oh. Oh my god. Oh! Oh god. Oh my god. Oh, that's so bad. Oh no.
Next up is this kinky son of an idiot who just loves his wife.
He a kinky ass nigga. Bro, what you doing?
Next up is the worst, greatest bus driver. In this clip, a driver forgets she left the gas pump in her gas tank.
Дура, что ли, бля?
Now in this clip, a driver decides that this is the best place to do a U-turn. Next on the list is this idiot driving in the wrong lane. In this clip, a driver who believes, if it's still able to turn on, then it's still able to drive. This next one is peak. Watch what happens when you're not paying attention to the road. This next one shows the importance of getting enough sleep before heading out. Next up is a driver who didn't want to go 2 times. Next up is a driver that seems to run red lights for a living. Next on the list is a truck driver who randomly stopped halfway on the train tracks. In this clip, watch how close this car in front was to getting hit. In this clip, the yellow fire truck always comes before the red. The last one up on the list is a driver just doing their job.